We will start with abdominal or diaphragmatic breathing. This is the easiest breathing technique, but is no less effective. It is a great way to calm the mind and for overall relaxation, as the alternating expansion and contraction of the abdomen also massage the internal abdominal muscles, thereby stimulating the digestive tract. Abdominal breathing is performed by inhaling through the nose deeply, as if to bring the air down to the lower part of the abdomen, below the navel. This area is also the region of the Sacral Chakra, Svadhisthana. Slowly inflate the lower part of the abdomen. On exhale, gently contract it and exhale through the nose. The inhale and exhale last equally long. We can start by inhaling and exhaling to a count of 4. After some time, you can extend the duration of the inhales and exhales. You can place your hand on the lower part of your abdomen and feel how this part of the abdomen expands and contracts. We will inhale and count to 4 and exhale counting to 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. I will leave you in silence to breathe at your own pace for a few moments. With this breathing, as with any breathing technique, we will prepare the body and mind for meditation. Now we will inhale through the nose and exhale. We will continue to breathe normally, and if you wish, you can continue to breathe abdominally. The Sacral Chakra or Svadhisthana is located about 4 fingers below the navel in the genital area. Its color is orange and the seed mantra is Vam. The emotion that blocks this chakra is guilt. When balanced, this chakra encourages creativity, flexibility, open-mindedness, and joy of life. It is associated with the body's fluids. When it is unblocked, we are fluid and vital, and it promotes healthy sexuality. When there are disturbances in this chakra, there is a sense of rigidity, repressed sexuality, and problem with conception. During meditation, you can place your hands on your knees or in a mudra. Close your eyes and focus your attention on the Sacral Chakra area. Relax and try to feel how you feel in this part of the body. Is there any tension or tightness? Breathe. Now imagine an orange ball as if it's spinning in 3D space within your body inside the pelvis. Notice how it vibrates. This orange light seems alive. Feel the warmth it radiates along with orange color and how this warmth fills your abdomen. The feeling is pleasant and relaxing. Feel yourself relaxing and how the tension in this part of the body eases. The kidneys, bladder, and endocrine system are connected to this chakra. This area of the body creates new life. So, this is the chakra of creativity and creation in general. Feel how the warmth of this vibrating orange ball melts all tension and physical restriction in this area, while simultaneously stimulating creativity and sensuality in you. If you wish, you can gently say the mantra VAM to yourself or aloud. Inhale, and on the exhale say VAM. 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 Feel how the vibration created by the sound flows through your entire body. You can also say affirmations. I am open to life and everything it brings. I treat my physical, mental, and spiritual body well. I feel confident and have a zest for life. I allow myself to enjoy the pleasures and abundance that life brings. I feel connected to other beings. I am a creator. I create beauty that contributes to this world. Feel how with each of these affirmations the ball seems to grow bigger and brighter, filling your entire abdomen. Perhaps the rays of this orange light begin to radiate outwards, creating a veil of orange light that envelops you. Breathe. Slowly imagine how this light continues to surround you but becomes more subtle. Only you can see it and feel its warmth and protection. Breathe. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale. Return your attention to your body. Feel the rhythm of your breathing. Wrap your palms and place them on your eyelids. Then open your eyes into your palms, or gently move your fingers before opening your eyes. When you are ready, open your eyes. Let this awakened creativity and warmth be the seeds of future actions. Namaste.